According to the passage, a big influence on Hemingway's writing was A. the printing of his first book, B. his being sent home as a hero during World War I, C. his experience as a reporter, or D. his poor eyesight. In order to answer this question, we need to locate its key words, a big influence on Hemingway's writing, in the text. We see these words in the second paragraph, which tells us that a great influence on his own writing was his experience as a newspaper reporter, which almost mirrors exactly choice C, his experience as a reporter. If we want to double check that the other choices are incorrect, we can locate their text in the paragraph. The printing of his first book, getting sent home during World War I, and his poor eyesight are all mentioned in the paragraph, but not in the context of the great influence on his writing. Therefore, we can mark these as incorrect and mark C, his experience as a reporter, as our final answer.